Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the chart of Bank Nifty, you can see that in the last 30-45 minutes we saw a sharp buying and Bank Nifty managed to close around 35,700 and there is a trend line here. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens above 35,800, 35,850, then Bank Nifty if sustains above it, then Bank Nifty can go till 36,000, 36,200. And in case we see a opening below 35,500, then we may see a negative scenario in Bank Nifty. And in that case, Bank Nifty can fall till 35,200 to 35,100. And if it opens flat, then it can remain sideways. Now let's see Nifty. So if you see the chart of Nifty, Nifty was trading in a range from last 2 days and today we saw a breakdown from this range, but Nifty managed to close around 16,550. So tomorrow if Nifty sustains above 16,625, then Nifty can go till 16,700 to 16,750. But in case if we see a gap down opening below 16,500 around 475 480, then Nifty can go till 16,400 to 16,350 after breaking today's day low. Now let's see our stock. So our today's stock is HDFC Life, and if you see, we saw a one-way buying momentum from 540 530 levels, and after taking a pause for 2 days it has closed near day high. So tomorrow you can buy HDFC above 610. For this trade you'll have to place a stop loss at 595, and once HDFC Life goes above 613 we'll see a sharp buying momentum again, and HDFC Life has next resistance around 640. So 640 will be your target. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.